So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set reminder for scheduled meetings. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Zoom desktop application, and then on the top right section you guys can see this settings icon right here. Now just select this option and you will get automatically in the generals section. So guys, as you can see this option right here which says remind me 5 minutes before my upcoming meetings. So this is the option that will help you to remind you for your upcoming scheduled meetings. So now guys, you need to just select this button right here. So now guys, you can see that there are three options. Says if you want a reminder 5 minutes before, or 10 minutes before, or 15 minutes before. So now guys, you can choose from these options, and I'll go with the 5 minutes before option, and that's how you guys can get reminded for your scheduled meetings on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.